back to Jessie_slime, or it's the other way around, I'm not too sure. But anyway, today I'll be making fluffy slime for you all. And before I jump straight in making slime and all that, I just want to have a little nice chat. So my chat is about you guys and me. So I uploaded the video and I was like, I'm going to get one or at least two, or one at least, one comment or two hate comments. And I uploaded it and I was like, oh no, I've got like 16 comments, what are they going to say? So I was like, oh, I had my head down like this. I was like, right, we will just act like the nice comments and don't let it get to me. So I read them, and I read every single one. My first two, great. My second two, great. My third two, great. My fourth two, great. My fifth two, great. They were all the best comments ever, just ever. And I was like at 10 o'clock at night until like 12 o'clock at night, I was reading them over and over again, smiling, and I had the happiest day the next day. So I was like, people actually want to watch my videos. People have subscribed. Well, I haven't got any subscribers yet, so please subscribe. It'll be up there in that eye button. It'll be there in the eye button. Or it'll just be like up here somewhere or down below. Just. So today we're making fluffy slime. Let me just go and get it for you all. So we go. So here it is. It's this purple. I've already done this once and it went all over me, but it's there. Not too sure if you can hear that, but that's the most satisfying slime. And yes, this is the slime that I've been making. What you will need is... So everybody, what you will need is PVA School Glue, white or clear, your choice. Better non-toxic as well. The next thing you will need is paint. Paint is optional, but I want to use glitter paint in colour pink. It'll just look very, very pretty. You will also need measuring spoons. The tablespoon one is what I'm going to be using today. A spoon to mix with, so something to mix with. A jug, cup or bowl or cup or plastic cup to mix in. Some shaving foam to make it fluffy. Gillette one is the best to use. Some borax to make the borax water with. 1 cup, but inside of my cup is some water and my borax. So without any further ado, let's jump straight in onto the fluffy slime. So all this is for the first step, and I've just realised as well that I haven't got water. You don't actually need water. People just like saying you need water. Oh yeah, and I've also got this blue acrylic paint now because I didn't know, but I've run out of I'm gonna just add it all in. Boom. Mind blowing, it's all in, people. Okay, so now we're going to add some Gillette foam. Okay, and some acrylic paint. Or you can use food colouring, and it's your choice if you want to use paint or not. And mix. Let's add our borax water. And I'm going to do a tablespoon at a time. And keep mixing. From the sides. Not too sure if everyone can see, but it's totally stopped sticking from the sides. So we're going to put it on a canvas, or just on a plain canvas, or whatever you want to play with it on, to make sure it doesn't get anything in it either. And I'm just playing with it, and I'm just going to keep playing with it until it gets to my desired consistency. I really like it. It's very foam-like type of one. To knead it until it gets to your consistency that you like. I like mine stretchy and, you know, just like the one that you can like play with in your hands. It's a couple of days later now. My iPad/camera ran out of charge, and we wasn't able to get hold of another charger. It had broken. So this is where the vlog will end, because literally my iPad still hasn't got much charge in it. But I need to end it here because it needs to go upload and go live. But anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment #Jessie, #slime recipe, and comment also what other slime recipes you know that I can try. And subscribe. I love you all so much. I'll see you in my next video. Time for bloopers. It's a purple sample. It's in a little airtight container. And it is a fluffy one. It's made out of borax. So good. Good job, it didn't stick.